private residence in San Diego for the first annual SDGS Kugel Cook-Off. That is the San Diego Generations of the Shoah. That is an organization for second generation survivors of the Holocaust. So this is kind of a fun event for a serious cause, and it's going to be really exciting. I can't wait to taste the kugels. What's better than kugel, right? So come on with me and let's see what we're in store for. And now tell me about this event we're at here today.
Well, as a San Diego Generations of the Shoah, we really were formed to honor our parents and the memory of those who survived and who didn't survive in the Holocaust. And in general, we strive to do some philanthropic activities as well. But we do have meetings, get together as an educational organization. But today, we got together and hadn't seen all our members, many of our members, for a long time. And so we thought we'd get together, and some of the ladies had the idea of having a kugel cook-off, and so that's what we're doing today.
What's our criteria?
Yeah, what is your criteria?
Tastes good.
Sweetness.
Oh, is it? You like the sweetness?
How are we doing?
And how about you? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for full-bodied with lots of cinnamon and sugar, and throw in some raisins.
Oh,
My kugel is my mother's recipe. My mother was Bella Simberg, and this recipe has been in our family since I was a child. And although I love other recipes, I like to make it so that we all remember my mom.
My kugel is a new recipe, and it's made with, there's no cottage cheese, it's made with pudding and sour cream and eggs. Those are the main ingredients.
So you say it's a new recipe. Did you find it online, or it's something you created? Or?
No, I actually found it online, and it also has, it's unusual because it has vanilla cookies on the top.
It's an old family recipe that I found of my mother's, and I've made it for Passover and for other family events. And for Passover, I obviously don't make it with the egg noodles. And everybody seems to like it because it's always gone at the end of the night.
Jan, you're over there. Show us what number 4 looks like.
Alright.
Mine!
First place! Oh, hey Jan! Jesus over there! There's the winner! Jan won! Yay!
Thank you.
Alright, so let's see how we did here. Okay. I don't know which is which because I didn't name them. I didn't number them. But I'll tell you what, you know who the winner is? The winner is me. The winner is me because I get to eat all this yummy, yummy, yummy kugel. So I think we all won here tonight.